Good morning, all of you, my dear students. Welcome back for the chapter The Enemy. My dear student, now listen the summary of this chapter in English. There is a person named Shadow. When he was in young age, then the ambition of his father was in order to send his son to America, and by sending to America, his ambition of life was to make him as a surgeon before his death. So therefore, as soon as Shadow became 22 years of age, then he was sent to America by his father. He started his training as MBBS for a period of firstly 5 years, and then after including 3 years more. And like this, he completed his 8 years of training as MBBS student in America. When he was during training, at that time, there was also a girl of America named Hannah, who was his classmate during MBBS training. Once upon a time, Shadow went to the house of Hannah and met her parents. As soon as he met their two parents, by meeting them, he came on such a clue that her father was very dull and slim, while her mother was very talkative woman. They also were belonged to a dirty family, as they did not wear good clothes and did not live in a good and neat and clean environment. So therefore, he hated them. But in spite of it also, as soon as the training period of 8 years during MBBS was over, then he married with Hannah, who was the daughter of a professor in America. After 8 years of doing as MBBS training, he came back from America. As soon as he came at his house, his father became very happy by seeing that his son not only had become a surgeon but also a scientist. By becoming a scientist, Dr. Shadow knew very well how to end or how to finish the spot of injury from its root, यानी किसी घाव के निशानों को कैसे खत्म किया जाए. It was also known by him within a period of 3 years, while he spent 5 years of training in as MBBS student and 3 years in as to become specialist scientist. So therefore, when he came back from America, not only as a surgeon but also as a scientist, he came back. Now, his father also became very happy that his son is not only a surgeon but also a scientist. Also, he has got married with an American girl who is also a doctor. So therefore, He was also pleased very much by seeing this. Once upon a time, when he was living at his house, early in the morning, he saw that there was a crowd who were standing close to each other. Dr. Shadow, along with his wife, also came there in order to see what happened. As soon as both of them reached there, they saw a peasant, a soldier, who was related to American Army, American Navy, and he ran away from the battle between America and Japan. He came back from there. He came back from the war in order to save himself. But as soon as he was running from the battle of America, then he was shot by his own companions, and he was washed through the water of ocean. Also, he got head injury and he was attached to the rock which was lying down on the shore of the ocean. Due to this, he was injured badly as well as he was fainted and also was unable to speak even a single word. When they came there closer to him, then they saw a rag on his vest that USA Navy was written on his vest. By reading this, they knew that this chap is belonged to USA, America, and he had been washed through water of the ocean, and he came back from the battle which was started between America and Japan, and he came here in order to save his life, but he could not be saved, and when he was running from there, then he was shot by his own companion, by his own army. And when he was coming through the water of ocean, then he was attacked to a rock, to a stone, which was fallen down on the shore of the ocean. Due to this, his brain was damaged and he was also injured badly. There was also coming blood from his body. Now, Dr. Shadow took him to his own clinic in order to get his treatment along with the support of his wife, Nandana. As soon as he reached to clinic along with the American patient named Mr. Tom, then by seeing him, all the servants of Shadow's house had run away from there by thinking that they can be arrested by police if someone informed the police about the arrival of American soldiers. They ran away from there. Mr. Tom, the American patient, was put on the table in operation theatre of the clinic of Dr. Shadow. His body was completely covered with blood, also dust. So therefore, Yumi was the servant of, was the domestic servant of Shadow and his wife Hannah. His duty was to care his children, but now today he was told to rubbish, to clean the body of the patient, but he ignored by thinking that he belonged to American country, and America is the enemy country for Japan. So therefore, he refused to clean the body of the American patient, and he also went to him. The same day, he was operated in a perfect way, along with the help of his wife Hannah, and the next day, Dr. Shadow came into his office. He opened the door of the table, took a paper and wrote down with the help of his pen that General Saab, I carried this patient named Tom, who was washed on the shore of the water of ocean, washed by the water of ocean, and he is a patient and he is a soldier of America, as he has run away from the battle of America and Japan. Next day, when he was about to go to General Takima in order to intimate about the same, then Hannah, his wife, saw coming a person wearing in a police uniform, and he was messenger sent by General Takima. As soon as the messenger reached there, Hannah became afraid by thinking that anybody else has informed police about the treatment, about the arrival of the American patient. But as soon as the messenger told that Dr. Shadow had been called for the treatment of General Takima, then she was very pleased. And also said that it was only thing, और कहा सिर्फ यही बात थी. But at this it was said by messenger that is it less only, क्या ये बात कम है? At this Hannah became very pleased as much as she could, and she told about the same to her husband. The same day, Dr. Shadow went to General Takima's house in order to get his statement, and he informed to General Takima about the case of American patient as well as enemy was known as by the name as Tom. General Takima was not only the chief of army of Japan, but he was also the head of Japan country. First of all, General Takima became very afraid, became very angry, but after a few times, he became very pleased to see that if I give punishment to Dr. Shadow, and if he also dies, then and I am required any doctor for my treatment in future, then who will take myself? Because the good doctors are born by Japan, not by America or any other country. अच्छे डॉक्टर जापान में पैदा होते हैं, ना कि अमेरिका या और किसी देश में. अगर मैं इसको बात देता हूँ तो मेरा इलाज कौन करेगा? By thinking that, ये सोच के he forgives him, माफ कर देता है, and he promises him, उसे वादा करता है in order to send to assassins. Assassins is meant by हत्यारे, to killers. वो 2 हथियार भेजने का वादा करता है। That not only today but the next day or the next day 2 assassins will come there and they will kill him. Dr. Sado became very happy by listening this, but as soon as he went to his house, he waited the whole night about the arrival of 2 assassins sent by General Takima. But no assassin came there. Sado waited for the next night, but this night also no assassins reached there. Sado waited for the next night, but this night was also empty. This night also no assassin reached there. Now, Dr. Sado forgot that probably General Takima has forgotten in order to send 2 killers, 2 assassins, in order to kill him. So therefore, he went into his office and he talked with his wife Hana in order to send him back to his own country. He arranged a private boat and he also arranged some food, water bottle, rum bottle, and two kids. Also told him not to wait the Korean fishing boat. Also told him as soon as the Korean fishing boat comes there, he has to follow the boat. As soon as he will follow the boat, Korean fishing boat, then he will reach to his country safe. That is Japan. He also told him that if he contains any problem, then he will show the light only once. If he does not have any problem, then he will show the light 2 times. By saying this, he will automatically know what happens. And then he came to General's house. He told to General Takima about the same, that the American peasant, enemy named Mr. Tom, has been sent to his own country back. As soon as he told about this, General Takima became very upset, also became very anxious to know, and he became very angry that he ordered him in order to wait, and also told him that his 2 assassins will be sent there, and both of the killers or assassins will reach there and they will kill him. But he did not take. And why he sent to his own country back? At this, Dr. Sado said that he waited first night, but no arrival of assassin. He waited the second night, but no arrival of assassin. He also waited the third night, but no arrival of assassins. No arrival of any killer. So therefore, in the last of all, he arranged a private boat and he sent him to the shore of the ocean. And he also told him to follow the Korean fishing boat from there. Then after, Dr. Sado came from there back on the same shore, and he also wanted to check once more also that the American enemy, Mr. Tom, is present there or not, or he has gone from there by following the Korean fishing boat or not. When he came there, then he saw there that there was nobody else. I mean, he understood that Mr. Tom has gone by following the Korean fishing boat to his own country back, Japan. Now, he came to his house. He started to walk on the roof of his bungalow. When he was walking here and there, then he was thinking in mind again and again that why he went to America in order to become a doctor, while he could become a doctor in his own country also. Why he went to the house of Anaz, father and mother, and why he married with Hannah. Why he went on the shore of the ocean in order to see what happened about the arrival of American patient. Why he brought him to his own clinic and why he operated him. Why he informed to General Takima about the arrival of the American patient, and why he sent to his own country back by arranging a private boat along with food, water, rum and some fish. This all was being thought in his mind when he was walking here and there on the roof of his house after coming from the shore of the ocean. By seeing this all, my chapter's explanation in English is over. I think that you have listened my way of expression in English, and you have to keep in mind. Also, you will be given the question answer and you have to write down in your copy. Also, you can comment, please, if you have any regarding my way of teaching and my write more question, whatever I will give you, whatever I am giving you on your screen. Today topic is over. Tomorrow morning I will meet you again. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद.